If you want to get the best shop vacs according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position we have CRAFTSMAN 16-gallon Shop Vac with its 6.5 horsepower motor and 16-gallon tank. This electric corded CRAFTSMAN Shop Vac can handle ultra-tough tasks. It saved me during a flood that otherwise could have led to catastrophic damage to my basement, says Rachel Rothman, Chief Technologist and Executive Technical Director at the Good Housekeeping Institute, who tested the machine at her home over the course of 6 months. It delivers impressive dry and wet vacuuming, aided by its 2.1/2-inch wide by 7-foot long flexible hose. A built-in blower port means it can also be used to clear small piles of leaves and grass clippings from the garage or driveway. Other convenience features include onboard organizers for the hose, accessories, and power cord, as well as an oversized drain plug, essential when sucking up large spills. Moving on to the next at number 2 with DEWALT 20V Max Vacuum. If you're looking for something smaller and more portable, we like the DEWALT DCV581H 20V 2-gallon cordless/corded wet/dry vac. This is a much smaller vacuum than the rigid models, and it doesn't match their capabilities on larger areas. But it's a real champ with little messes around the garage, in the house, or in the basement. Because there's also a cordless option and this vac is so light, you won't have a problem using it in a crawl space, a tight attic, or an outbuilding that needs a little tidying, like a potting shed. The capabilities of the DEWALT are limited by the small motor and hose diameter. We had no problem sucking up wood shavings, drywall dust, and little bits of this and that, but this vac couldn't suck up anything heavier, like a nail or a screw. There was also the risk of larger items getting caught in the narrow hose. The 36-minute runtime really impressed us, though, and it was far longer than that of any other cordless options we tested. This vac makes the most sense if you already have some other tools in the DEWALT 20V lineup. If you're just starting out, however, you'll need to get the kit that comes with the battery and charger. This raises the cost quite a bit and, we think, really compromises the value of this tool. But the good news is that this vac also works with an outlet, so it's still an option, even if you may or may not be adding other DEWALT tools in the future. The number 3 position is held by STANLEY 5-gallon Shop Vac. The compact design, stainless steel construction, and bevy of accessory tools make this corded electric STANLEY Shop Vac one of the most multifunctional models on the market. Though our experts haven't tested it in the lab yet, we're impressed by the specs and technical data. For example, it's one of the few shop vacs that comes with a floor brush, in addition to the usual wet/dry nozzle and crevice tool. There's also a dust collection bag, which is good for keeping the air clear when vacuuming inside living spaces. The 10-foot power cord is shorter than others and its 5-gallon is on the smaller side. But if you're looking for a mid-size shop vac to tackle minor messes all around the house, this STANLEY is worth a look, especially at this price. Next at number 4 we have DEWALT 10-gallon Shop Vac. DEWALT is a trusted brand with our experts, earning a solid reputation for performance and reliability through years of testing. Carolyn Forte, Home Care and Cleaning Lab Executive Director at the Institute, put this 10-gallon electric corded model through its paces during an extended at-home test. The machine performed superbly across the board, showing serious suction power thanks to its 5.5 horsepower motor and extra wide 10-inch nozzle. There was no scattering or snow plowing during repeated dry tests, Forte said, which involved vacuuming up oatmeal and baking soda. I was impressed. The Shop Vac is also very easy to operate. The 360-degree wheels roll smoothly. The lid is easy to put on and take off, and an onboard accessory pouch keeps tools and attachments in order. The cord is a bit of a nuisance, but at 20 feet long it provides good range, and the machine's handle doubles as a cord wrap for tidy storage. Like all electric shop vacs, you definitely hear the DEWALT when it's running at full tilt, but it's not as high-pitched or irritating as other models we've tested, says Forte. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Greenworks 40V 3-gallon wet/dry cordless vac. Another cordless option we like is the Greenworks 40V 3-gallon wet/dry cordless vac. Compared with the DEWALT vac, the Greenworks vac has a larger capability, 3 gallons versus 2 gallons, and stronger suction, but it lacks a corded option. So the 15 minutes of runtime is all you have before a recharge. Because this is a smaller vacuum really designed for minor messes, we found the 15 minutes to be plenty of time for any single mess we dealt with. The Greenworks vac comes with 2 nozzles, one for general use and a crevasse tool, which both tuck into an onboard storage compartment. We also like that the hose, when stretched out, becomes translucent, so it's easy to see where blockage is. Through the course of testing and using the vacuum around the house during a small renovation, this became our go-to vac, even though it does sometimes have a high-pitched whine. The Greenworks vac normally costs around $200, which we think is a fine price, given that it comes with a battery and charger. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.